Welcome to the session. In this session, I, Dr. Jignesh Makwana, will give brief introduction about the course Modeling and Simulation of Switch Reluctance Motor Drive with the MATLAB. Switch reluctance motor offers many advantages over other motors, mainly for their simple mechanical structure and magnetless operation. After first demonstration in mid-80s, SRM not only survived but also gaining interest exponentially amongst researchers due to availability of advanced, sophisticated and economical power electronics devices nowadays. Global interest of energy efficient transportation system is the main reason for current hike in the research trend of SRM, and it considered as best suitable energy efficient and cost effective motor to power electric vehicles. MATLAB simulation plays a very important role in the research and development of engineering project, product and system. It helps predicting performance of the system, to validate control strategies and save the time of product development. This course includes all the necessary details required to design and develop simulation model of switch reluctance motor drive. It explains and compares different nonlinear mathematical modeling techniques to model switch reluctance motor. MATLAB simulation of SRM and drive have been explained step by step, including motor model, commutation pulse generation, current control, voltage PWM control, speed control techniques, closed loop control techniques, load characteristics, electric and regenerative braking and more. All these simulation models have been developed runtime to have learning experience like hands-on MATLAB workshop instead of just PowerPoint presentation. This course is specially designed for those who want to start their research work or project work in the field of switch reluctance motor drive. This course is more suitable to PG PhD students, research scholar of electrical, electronics, power system or power electronics engineering branch. This course is useful for the UG students who are willing to do their final year project work on switch reluctance motor drive. Let's look at the content of the course. So in the very first section, after completing the introduction, we will discuss about the mathematical modeling of the SRM and how to do the simulation of this model, how to develop the simulation model in the MATLAB. Then different modeling techniques and its comparison have been done in the second section, including the lookup table based approach, analytical modeling techniques, inductance based modeling technique and physical modeling techniques and its comparison. In the section 3, we will get familiar with the SRM model that is available in the MATLAB library. So starting from the basic parameter, we will start playing with the simulation model, and we will also look at how to develop the different SRM model in the simulation model available in the MATLAB. Then we will start the simulation of switch reluctance motor drive, starting from the basic motor model, playing with the motor model, then designing the commutation pulse generation, then designing the simulation of commutation pulse generation with the advance angle, then designing the commutation pulse generation with the discrete time integrator. We will discuss the lots of comparison and things related to each simulation model development. This all simulation model will be developed runtime throughout the course. Design of asymmetric converter, then adding the current limiter and its effect. This all will be discussed in the section 4. Analysis of SRM model and its variant. In section 5, we will simulate different model for the speed control techniques and how its work, how voltage control, current control, different speed control techniques can be simulated in the MATLAB. Starting from the hysteresis current control, voltage PWM control, advance angle and dwell angle control. In section 6, we will see the simulation and analysis of closed loop speed control of SRM. That means we will use the PI controller and we will study the closed loop speed control with the hysteresis current control SRM drive, closed loop speed control with the voltage PWM SRM drive, closed loop speed control with the voltage speed level drive with inner current control loop for the better dynamic response. We will use the closed loop speed controller with the advanced angle control drive. So that means all the possible control methods are included, and during this runtime simulation we will design and develop this all closed loop speed control methods. In the section 7 we will discuss about the load characteristic, how to set the load characteristic for different application, and we will also discuss effect of snubber circuit parameter and its setting. In section 8 we will simulation and analysis of electric braking and regeneration. We will discuss about the different electric braking that can be imposed on the switch reluctance motor, and we will develop the simulation model for the different possibilities. Implementation of electric braking with commutation angle control, implementation of electric braking with the commutation pulse interchange, and control of braking torque. And we will also discuss about the regeneration during the electric braking, how it's possible to supply back the energy or power from the phase winding to the source. And electric braking with the soft switching strategy. So possibility of electric braking with the soft switching strategy will also be discussed. So more or less almost all the topics related to simulation of the switch reluctance motor drive have been covered in this course. So at the end of this course you will be able to start your own research work and utilize this course to boost your research work for in the area of switch reluctance motor drive. So last section will be practice assignment and tips. So in future also there will be lots assignment will be added, and the first assignment you will develop the speed control characteristic. It is the assignment, practical assignment. You need to work on the simulation, you need to collect lots of data from your simulation model, and you need to plot the speed torque characteristic, and also torque ripple variation you need to plot in the second assignment. This is also called the experiment in the simulation model. And last you will have different tips how to utilize these simulations for your research and dissertation work. So hope you got a brief idea about what are the contents and scope of this course. So if it is suitable to your requirement, let's just join the course and let's just start learning modeling and simulation of switch reluctance motor